Now that we have learned so many secrets of sleep that is backed by modern science as well, let me share some suggestions on food for sleep in this video. Firstly, as per Ayurveda, have food only when the digestive fire is alive within you. The digestive fire is in perfect harmony with the position of the sun wherever you reside. In short, the digestive fire rises when the sun rises and sets when the sun sets. That is perhaps the reason why Ayurveda suggests a heavy breakfast, a moderate lunch, and almost a very light dinner. Having a light dinner around sunset is like opening the doors to wellness and sound sleep. Hey, avoid non-vegetarian food and any food that you feel would be hard to digest after the sun sets. Now, something for the insomniacs. Insomnia is also termed as Nidra Nasha in Sanskrit. Insomnia is a difficulty in initiating or maintaining sound sleep. It may involve waking up early without complete sleep and the inability to fall asleep again. It may also involve waking up with a feeling of tiredness and exhaustion. Latest studies indicate that magnesium is important for regulating our circadian system and sleep cycles as well, as it helps to relax into our rest and digestive mode. Magnesium can activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which helps you calm down and relax. It activates this system by regulating the neurotransmitters in the brain and the nervous system and the production of the hormone melatonin, a key component in the sleep-wake cycle. If you're not getting enough magnesium, this may interfere with your ability to fall asleep or even stay asleep. Foods recommended by Ayurveda, incidentally or surprisingly, matches this need. Ayurveda recommends adding more of the foods that I'm going to explain you here in your diet: legumes, nuts, seeds, whole grains, green leafy vegetables, milk, yogurt, fortified foods like cereals. By the way, they're all rich in magnesium. Now, something for insomnia. Foods rich in tryptophan, magnesium, calcium, vitamin B, and those foods that boost serotonin and melatonin levels are said to be the best foods for insomnia. Traditionally, Ayurveda indicates consumption of the flesh of domestic and aquatic animals, the meats of buffalo, milk, for insomnia. Wheat, black gram, milk products like curd, ghee, which is clarified butter, have also proven to alleviate insomnia. Fruits like grapes, preparation of jaggery and sugar and wine are also indicated good for insomnia. Beyond these, let me name a few foods that you may add to your list immediately to improve your sleep. Pumpkin seeds. Approximately 200 grams of pumpkin seeds provides around 1 gram of tryptophan, which helps in inducing a better sleep. Secondly, whole milk. Milk helps to control melatonin production since it is a great source of calcium, a mineral that plays a role in the regulation of melatonin in the body. Milk is also rich in the amino acid tryptophan, which has a calming effect on the body as whole. Yogurt. Yogurt also contains plenty of tryptophan and is a rich source of calcium, magnesium, and vitamin 12 and vitamin B12 and B5, which induces sleep very easily. People who experience discomfort by taking milk due to lactose intolerance can take yogurt or curd. The calcium present in it reduces wakefulness restlessness. Peanuts. Another food that should be considered if there is difficulty falling asleep is peanuts or natural peanut butter. Peanuts are a rich source of niacin, which is another nutrient that helps to increase the release of serotonin into the system. And now oat bran, chocolates, kiwi fruit, avocado, bananas, walnuts, leafy greens, turkey, tuna, they all aid in getting good sleep. Now to conclude, for a good, sound sleep, over and above the recommended food, maintain a regular meal timing. Hope you remember, no heavy eating after the sun sets, that is around 6:30 p.m. And by the way, if you like to sip warm beverages, warm milk before bed is also quite soothing. Establish a bedtime routine to prepare your mind and body for sleep, calmness, and a centered life. Follow a balanced diet. Maintain a regular timing of food. And of course, practice a bit of exercise that suits your age. And open up your arms to embrace good, peaceful, and deeply relaxing sleep into your life. That's all about food for sleep in this video. Come on, see you in the next video.